So we have 4 different products to help cover grey. So we have a selection of root sprays and powders. So I'm just going to briefly talk you through them all, what their pros and cons are of each one, just to help you choose. So I'm going to start off with Bay. It's the Airbrush Root Touch-Up Spray. There are 6 in this range. I would say that the texture is quite more like a dry shampoo. So it definitely helps blend the greys, gives a really good coverage. Next we have the R&Co. Now the R&Co has 7 different colours in this range, and they do have quite a good red coverage. I find that the other colours, when they do a red, it's more of a mahogany. This, I wouldn't say it's a true red because it's still a browny red, but it's a much nicer red. So give that a go if you're finding your red coverage hard to find. Next is the L'Oreal. Now this is brilliant if you've got lots and lots of regrowth, like you've pushed the boundaries of when you should have gone back to the salon. The application, or the formation, is quite wet though, so I do recommend, if you're doing quite a lot of grey coverage, is to spray it and then let it completely dry, because it can leave a little bit of residue on your fingers. And lastly is the Colour Wow. Now this is the only one that we've got as a powder. So if you tend to wear your hair up a lot and you find like covering your greys around your temples quite hard, then I'd go for the powder. It's also really good if you want to spot blend, because it's a lot more precise using the brush. It's got more of a eyeshadow sort of palette kind of texture to it. So yeah, you can be a little bit more specific. So yeah, so I hope that's given you a bit of an overview about which one to choose. We do recommend them all, but as I said, they definitely have different roles and different strengths in that. But if you have any questions about which one to choose, just flick us an email and we can help you out.